Data for business analytics. Data are numbers or textual data that are collected through some type of measurement process. Okay, and then information is the result of analyzing data, that is extracting meaning from data to support evaluation and decision making. Examples of data sources and users, meaning that where can we get the data from? Okay, for example, from annual reports, accounting audits, financial profitability analysis, economic trends, marketing research, operations management performance, human resource measurements, as well as web behavior. Nowadays, many organizations or advertising companies use web behavior to know customer preferences and lifestyle before they can offer certain advertisement activities, or before offering products type. Okay, for example, page views. Okay, what are the pages that certain customers always click or visited? Okay, visitors country, time of view, length of time, how long they save on certain web, or they spend the time on the website or certain pages, origin and destination path, products they search for and view. For example, in apps like Shopee or Lazada, okay, you can notice if you always search for certain products, maybe after a couple of minutes, they will start sending the information or advertisement on the products that you searched before. Okay, products purchase, that is very normal or very common. What reviews they read, and many others. Okay, big data. What is big data? Big data refers to massive amount of business data, meaning volume, from a wide variety of sources, which also variety, much of which is available in real time or velocity, and much of which is uncertain or unpredictable, also so-called veracity. Okay, so based on McKinsey Global Institute 2011, the effective use of big data has the potential to transform economies, delivering a new wave of productivity growth and consumer surplus. Using big data will become a key basis of competition for existing companies. Okay, and we create new competitors who are able to attract employees that have the critical skills for a big data world. Okay, so based on McKinsey, not in future, currently many organizations are already competing for big data, okay, or data analytics, in order to beat their competitors, or in order to excel in their businesses or activities. Okay, so therefore I said key basis of competition, okay, for existing companies. Okay, not only on the organization or employers, it also become a competitive advantage, okay, on the employees. Okay, that means companies or organizations are now looking for employees that have the analytic skills. Okay, they prefer that type of employees in order to compete with their competitors. Next one, data reliability and validity. Okay, reliability means data are accurate and consistent. Okay, validity means data correctly measures what it is supposed to measure. Can you notice the difference? Reliability is more on consistency. Okay, validity the keyword is correct. We can trust the data that is valid. Okay. Okay. Data reliability and validity examples. A tire pressure gauge that consistently reads several pounds of pressure below the true value is not reliable. Okay, although it is valid because it does measure tire pressure. Okay, so the equipment is consistently reads the data, but it's not reliable. Okay, it's valid. Okay, but not reliable. Okay, because the information might be incorrect. Another example, the number of calls to a customer service desk might be counted correctly each day. Okay, I mean how many times customer call in a day, and thus is a reliable measure, but not valid if it is used to assess customer dissatisfaction. Okay, you understand? As many calls may be simple queries. Okay, it's okay to rely on this data on the number of calls. Okay, but if you want to check further or more specific on, for example, customer dissatisfaction, uh, it is not valid. Okay, because not all calls are on dissatisfaction. Maybe some calls are maybe on simple queries. Okay, they want to ask certain product, or maybe they call because they are satisfied with the products offered. Okay, so it depends on what type of data that we want to analyze. Okay, the next one, a survey question that asks a customer to rate the quality of the food in a restaurant may be neither reliable because different customers may have conflicting perceptions. Also not valid if the intent is to measure customer satisfaction, as satisfaction generally includes other elements of service besides food. Okay, it's one regarding survey question. Okay, the customer asked to rate on the quality of the food. If they only rate on the food, okay, uh, we cannot say that the food satisfaction level can cover the whole satisfaction level on the restaurant. Okay, because other elements must be also taken into account. For example, uh, the decoration, okay, the service of waiters, okay, it also come into the same level of perspective on the satisfaction. Okay, if the study or you only want to know customer satisfaction on food, so you can rely. It can be uh, valid if you only depend on the customer survey on the food quality in the restaurant. Okay, understand? If you want to know the comprehensive satisfaction on the restaurant, so the survey must ask question on all categories of the restaurant, on the food, on the waiters, on the decorations, uh, service time, and etc. Okay, only then it can be valid data.